Assalamu alaikum everyone. At last we have met again, and as usual, let's start with revision of our previous session. It was about letters Sin, Sheen, Sad, and Dad. Try to remember the voices of these sounds with Fatha, Sa, Sajada, Sh, Shajara, Sa, Salah, ض ضرب. Okay, now let's go to the next letter, which is طاء طاء with فتحة طا طا. Do you remember the letter تاء تاء? The sound of letter طاء is the heavy form of the sound of letter تاء. So when we say تاء تاء, it differs from طاء طاء ت طا ت طا. So if you don't give the ta its heaviness, it will be changed to te, which is a different letter, and will give a different meaning, of course. About different forms of letter ta, it's very easy. Initial ta is written like that, while middle ta join the previous and the next letter after it. And at the end of the word, ta is written like that. Let's try to pronunciate this word from the Holy Quran. Do you remember letter ba and sa? Ba, sa, basa, ta, basata, basata. And the second letter which we will talk about it today is letter wa. Wa, wa, wa. Do you remember letters tha and dhal? These letters are called al-huruf al-lathawiyya, as we protrude a small part of our tongue while pronouncing these three letters. So when we say wa, actually I protrude the tip of my tongue outside, as on the picture. And as you remember letter dhal, actually the letter dha, or its sound, is the heavy form of the sound of letter dhal. So when I say the, and say wa, actually I pronunciate different letters. One is light and the other is heavy.
Va, 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 va.
About the different forms of letter dha, it's very easy, and like that of ta, initial dha is written like that, and on the middle dha join or is connected to the previous and the next letter, and on the end of the word letter dha is written like that. Then try to pronunciate this word with letter dha, dha, ma, ظما, ظمأ.
طا، را، قا، طرق، طرق. بسط، 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 بسط. ظمأ، ظمأ. ظمأ
We come to the end of our session. Please let me know on the comments if you have any problem, and I actually appreciate everyone that support me by liking or subscribing to my channel or participating by sharing my videos. Thank you all. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.